Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm about to reveal how to get your ex back by texting. So many people reach out to me wanting to know if I have simple texts, things that they can just text their ex to get them back. And the simple answer is yes. Yes, I do have sample texts, and no, I don't think it's a good idea for you to send my sample text. Because from experience, I know that tailored approach is best. You need to make sure that you send text messages that will actually resonate with your ex, based on your situation, based on their personality, based on your love story and what has happened and the mistakes that have basically transpired. So yes, we do have templates that we share in coaching sessions and in our masterclass, but more often than not, in coaching sessions, I like to tweak them based on the reality of what you are going through. There are some rules, however, that can help you be more successful. And what I want you to know first and foremost is that everything needs to be coherent. You can have the perfect text at the perfect time, but if you've just been needy and clingy for months on end, perhaps it may not be a good idea to send that text. Perhaps it would be even more powerful to not reach out. So I want to make sure that your roadmap and your approach is an entire ecosystem that has been thought out. Texting is not an independent agent in the process of getting your ex back. It needs to be a true reflection of the mindset that you are in today. That's how you can really, truly have results quickly and maximize your chances of getting back with the one you love. As a rule of thumb, though, there are rules. That's what I was telling you. And I don't want you to chase your ex through text. So avoid big blocks of text, especially when you're getting one word or one sentence back. If you can say something in one sentence, do it. Get straight to the point. Avoid using emojis. Most of the time, people are way too expressive with emojis. You're trying to seek their validation by using these emojis, and it can backfire. Also, it's not your responsibility to keep a conversation going. In some cases, when you're in the reseduction phase of the process, when you've reestablished healthy communication and you are dating again, sure, you can go back and forth and you can take more ownership in that process. But you can't ever be needy or clingy or seek their validation. You always need to make sure that you're keeping them on their toes and that the conversation is balanced, because exes have a tendency of feeling suffocated quite quickly. And it's important to be you, to be creative, and to go for quality over quantity. Because from my experience, you don't need to text a lot in order to make an impression. As I was saying, texting can be one of many tools that you use to regain control and to establish a healthy dynamic with your significant other. But I don't want you to be fixated on just this one tool. You have many others at your disposal. And the way that you present yourself, how you are rebranding yourself, the changes that you've made, the fact that you've actually evolved, those are fundamental and just as important. Communication strategy is simply just that, one aspect of breakup recovery, but it's not the only one. And I encourage you to continue to do your homework, to continue to prepare so that you are ready when the opportunity will come. That is why we've created Love Advice TV. That's why we have thousands of videos on this channel to help you maximize your chances of being happy in love and reestablishing a healthy dynamic with your significant other. So browse our channel, check out our blogs. We have tons of free resources. We've spent basically our life creating this content for you. And if you want to take it a step further, you can book a coaching session with me as well. I'll be here to help you and to guide you and to tell you if your text is the right one at the right time and if it's coherent based on everything that has happened in your relationship. As always, keep fighting the good fight. Thank you for tuning in, and see you soon on Love Advice TV for another video.